Welcome back to a new video, guys, to the e-commerce order automation. Today you'll learn how to make $8,000 a month with n8n with automate e-commerce order and customer email. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to automatically process new e-commerce orders, store them in a database, send personalized order confirmation emails, and notify your fulfillment team instantly. This workflow is perfect for online stores looking to save time, reduce errors, and increase customer satisfaction. Implementing this automation for clients or your own store can generate $8,000 a month. So, what you learn in this workflow: to capture new orders via webhook from your e-commerce platform, store order details in a database for inventory and reporting, send personalized order confirmation emails to customers, notify your fulfillment team via Slack, reduce manual work, and scale your e-commerce business. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger node. Path will choose new order. This webhook capture incoming order from your e-commerce platform, for example, Shopify, WooCommerce, and so on. Okay, you see the production relay, webhook new order. After that, you have a format order date that is a function node that structures the order details for the database and notification. So you want to get the order ID, the customer name, the customer email, the product, and the total amount. After that, we'll store the order detail into a MySQL or Postgres database. We'll store the order details in the database that is useful for inventory management and reporting. Operation will choose insert, table orders, and column order ID, customer name, customer email, product sheet, total amount. Okay, after that, we have a Gmail node that will send a personalized order confirmation to the customer. On the subject, your order, JSON order ID confirmation, and the message. Let's type a message here. Hi. Customer name. Thank you for your order of products totaling total amount. Okay, your order will be shipped soon. Okay, so this is the message that you send. Okay, and finally, the Slack node notification that sends an instant notification with order details to the fulfillment channel. Let's open it. So on the resources message, channel fulfillment, and on the text, new order received, order ID, customer, products, and total. Okay, I will put also let's save. I put also the JSON file on my YouTube video on the comments, so you can have the template also. Thank you for your attention, guys, and see you in next video. Bye bye.